I'm Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mama, and today I want to share with you an unveiling of some product I got from a company called N Beads. I'll put the link below so you'll be able to check them out. And they asked me to do a couple of videos on demonstrating their product. So my first video, of course, is going to be the unveiling. And I did open it so far as this part here, because I always have trouble. If I do it on camera, I'll probably struggle a couple of minutes or more. But it came in a good package, cushioned and everything, so that was good. So I'm going to pull out the bag of goodies. I'm so excited about it. And of course, they put an invoice inside of what all I ordered. And I couldn't remember everything that I ordered, but we're going to find out. So let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see. So many to choose from. What do I think I'll open this up first. Okay, here we go. This looks like closures. Yes, with some jump rings. Let's see if I can take a couple out, or one or two out. Okay, so there's, and it's tiny. It's cute. And there's the bar that goes inside of that piece right there. So that's your closure for jewelry. And of course you have your jump rings that you attach that with. So I'm going to set these back over here. And let's open this bigger bag and see what it's got in it. And I've been crafting, so I've got some discoloration. You know, sometimes you try to clean that stuff off, and sometimes it just doesn't want to come off. Okay, let's see. There's this. So I ordered some cabochon. I looked it up to see how to pronounce that, and that's how it said to do is cabochon. Aren't they pretty? Okay, these are the beads. They're not cabochon. They are beads of various kinds. Oh, I love these. Gorgeous. Love the shine to it. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. These will be fun to work with, let me tell you. I'm just going to set it over here this time. And then I have some more of the closures. They're the same thing, a little bigger, different color. And these are more like a bronze color. And I'm going to let you look at them that way since, there we go. Very pretty. So they are bigger in comparison to these other ones. They're probably quite a bit, well, they're quite a bit bigger. They're not huge, but I've got some pins to go with them and jump rings. And I love this color. I love the color. I'm going to take it out so you can see the color. I've got flathead pins, earring hooks. Oops, I've got to get used to this camera. There we go. Isn't that pretty? So I've got some pins and some of the toggle clasps, this color, and some jump rings. Very nice pieces. This, you know, where do I put them? Okay, that all goes in that bag. And let's open this one up. AB stones, and they are so pretty. And they are oval. Love them, and they will go really nice with some of these pieces in here. So hopefully that's what I was thinking, because sometimes I think about what I want to do, and then if I don't write it down, then I forget, and then I have to think, oh no, what was it? So now these are little round like spacer beads, and they're the same color as the other toggle clasp that I ordered in pins. So they're the same color, they're just tiny, tiny beads, very, very small. And I will do my best to put links in for each of these, so that way if you want to get those, you can. And then there's this. Here they are. Aren't they pretty? Beautiful strung beads. Very nice quality. They feel really nice. They don't have that cheap feel to them. Beautiful color. I'm not sure what the color is now, but it's a beautiful, beautiful color. Kind of between a purple and a blue, and I know the name of that. It's in the back of my mind. And then we have got a lot of stuff. I mean, it's really awesome. These are the clear cabochons. They are really, I mean, they're crystal clear. They're not foggy or anything like that. They are very, very clear. And I do have a project in mind for this. We'll see. And I think they're all the same size. And they are so pretty. Okay, let's see now what we got over here. This one looks like a kit, a DIY kit, I believe. That's what it's saying there. It's got a really nice little bag to go with it. I think that's great. And these are the pieces that you use to put these into. And I tell you what they are. You can put your essential oils on here and put them inside these pieces here. And let me tell you, they do work. I mean, they smell so good to do it that way. So I've got two of them, and I can make one a bracelet and one a necklace, it looks like. These are going to be, I mean, I'm excited about these. Let's see this chain here. Yeah, oh yeah, it's got some jump rings in there. So yeah, so I've got enough for a necklace and a bracelet to match. That's such a great kit. All that came together in that kit. Now let's see if I can put this back in. Great, this is awesome. My sister's been wanting one, and this would make a great gift. Let's see, there's this bracelet. I'll be able to do both a bracelet and a necklace, and I think that's great. So that's going to be one great video. I missed one. So all the links will be below that I need to provide for you to check items out. And also there is a coupon code. If you spend $24 or more, you will get let's see, I believe it's $3 off of your order if it totals $24 at least minimum US dollars. And the coupon code is ELLIS01, ELLIS01, all one word, and you need to use that code in order to get your discount. And I'm going to tell you right now, these are some amazing items in here, and I can't wait to be able to work with them. So anyway, check out the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.